Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I'm here with a special Mother's Day greeting. As you know, we're speaking about transition and the transitions that many women over 45 have to make. And one of the things that I want to remind you of, you ladies over 45, is not only do I wish you a happy Mother's Day, I want to also acknowledge the years that you've spent being responsible and dependable and nurturing, and the years that you've been productive, the years that you've been emotionally available for everyone in your life. I want to say that whether you are a woman who has raised children, whether you're a woman who has cared for aging parents, or who has supported your spouse through their career changes and perhaps education, or whether you've mentored younger people who've served in church or in community organizations, any of those things, whether you've led teams or whether you've just been an emotional support, not just been, because emotional support is crucial. But I want you to know that we see you, and I want to wish you a very happy Mother's Day. We know that you have exemplified the best in leadership, whether you've been leading your family, whether you've been leading in your community, whether you've been leading in a ministry position or a classroom or a team, a corporate or professional team, whether you've been leading at life, wherever you've been leading in life, we applaud you. And we are so grateful for all of the exhaustion, the confusion, sometimes the loneliness, the resentment, and often feeling unseen that you've had to battle over all of the years, or perhaps even in just this last year. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being the pillar that has upheld everyone around you. I want you to know that we celebrate you, that we acknowledge you, and that we are grateful for you. Happy Mother's Day.